Anong allegations ang sinasabi niya? I'm not alleging anything. I am proving that the accounts are active. They are real. Ito po These are not allegations. I am now putting forward documents showing that he has accounts in Cayman Islands. Na-prove na natin eh. Anong allegations ang sinasabi niya? I'm not alleging anything. I am proving that the accounts are active. They are real. Ito po Do you understand the significance of these documents that I have shown to you? I think the burden shifted to him already. Can he explain this? He should explain all this. Sana meron na akong mga ibang kasama na gumawa nun para hindi lahat sa akin nakapasan sa akin balikat. Kaya ang ginawa ko muna is a resolution directing the appropriate committees in the House of Representatives to look into this several offshore bank accounts. Para naman po siguro mapatunayan natin for possible violation of Republic Act 3019. Ito yung Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices and including the Plunder Act, Republic Act 7080. Kasi ang threshold lang ng plunder is 75 million. Ang pinag-uusapan natin almost a billion pesos already. Lumilitaw na sa pangalan niya ito Kung mapatunayan niya na somebody really did this in order to blacken his reputation, then that's another story. But sa amin po, sabi niya kasi wala siyang account. So what we did is to deposit amounts. Just to prove that there are accounts and the accounts are existing. Pero itong sinasabi kong ito na kailangan ay magkaroon muna ng immediate investigation sapagkat nangangamba nga po ako sa ating eleksyon na kung hindi natin maayos as soon as possible, ay ilang panahon na lang po ang natitira. Yung impeachment po kasi, bago matapos yon, maraming proseso po yon. Yun po ba yung uunahin natin? Hindi natin muna isasang-alang-alang yung gagawin nating elections next year. Kaya nga po, ang ginawa ko, resolution na lang muna para mabilis po nating matukoy ang mga binabanggit po nating mga offshore accounts na nakapagbibigay po ng alinlangan sa atin, lalong-lalo na po sa amin. Pwede naman yung House impeachment